The savory, salty, and delicious taste of dry cured meats is now within your grasp with the Stagionello curing cabinets from Omcan. You'll be able to achieve quality meats, such as salami, in as quick as 20 days. But first, what is meat curing? Curing meat is the oldest method of food preservation. Stagionello curing cabinets work alongside some basic principles. Number 1. Salt or nitrates pull out every drop of moisture to avoid spoilage. Number 2. Amount of salt or nitrates should equal 3% of the meat's weight. Number 3. Factors that affect the curing process are breed, diet, fat content, and size. After you're prepared, Stagionello will handle the rest. You'll be proud to showcase your products when they're surrounded by the beautiful stainless steel body. When your customer finds that perfect piece, you can easily access any area of the unit to provide it for them. But don't make it too easy. Lock up your goods until you're ready to sell them. Helping you get that perfect product is the ClimaTouch menu and operating system, which is loaded with hundreds of preset recipes. Additionally, the simple interface allows you to make custom ones as well, making the possibilities endless. And that's just scratching the surface. Featuring the Humidity system, you can infuse flavors and spices directly into the air of the chamber. All these parameters are monitored by the 4 built-in probes. The Humidity Probe monitors the ambient humidity within the entire chamber. The Ambient Probe monitors the temperature inside the chamber. The Evaporator Probe visualizes the temperature of evaporation. And the Condenser Probe regulates the function of the refrigeration process. When it comes to cleaning and maintenance, the non-monoblock system on top of each unit allows for incredibly simple access to the cabinet's inner workings. Now all you have to do is choose the right size for your business, from our wide range of 60 kilograms all the way up to 800 kilograms. For more information and purchasing, click the link below or visit omcan.com.